Dearest soul, this moment is not by chance. Feel the gentle hum of destiny, the soft whisper of a truth long held in the heart of the cosmos. You were not merely born, you were sent. A divine blueprint, intricate and perfect, was woven into your very essence, a purpose far grander than you have yet fully grasped. Your journey, every twist and turn, every ache and every triumph, has been meticulous preparation for this very unfolding. The angels lean in, their wings rustling with anticipation, for they have watched your path, knowing the profound impact you carry. They say, your presence is a sacred key, unlocking doors not just for yourself, but for souls destined to intertwine with yours. You are a beacon, a healing balm, a force of transformation. The love you seek, the connection you yearn for, is not a distant dream but a reflection of the divine love that placed you here. You are the answer to a silent prayer, a light meant to guide. Trust this ancient knowing within you. It is the voice of your soul, echoing the very heart of creation. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. There is a thread, invisible yet unbreakable, connecting certain souls across time and space. You feel its tug, don't you? That deep resonance with another, a sense of recognition that defies logic. This is not merely attraction, it is the memory of souls, an ancient knowing stirring within your depths. The angels reveal that this thread is spun from divine intention, a promise made before earthly journeys began. It explains the intensity, the profound impact, the feeling that a piece of your own spirit has found its way home. You carry within you the wisdom of countless lifetimes, a tapestry of experiences that has prepared you for this unique connection. Do not dismiss the profound pull you feel. It is your intuition, guided by celestial hands, pointing you toward what is meant for you. This connection is not about perfection, but about profound growth, a mirroring that allows both souls to see their truest selves. It is a sacred dance, choreographed by the universe, and you are a vital, beautiful part of its rhythm. You sense his heart, don't you? A complex symphony of longing and fear, echoing in the quiet spaces between you. When he pulls away, it is rarely a rejection of you, but rather a retreat into the battleground of his own spirit. The angels whisper that he carries wounds you cannot see, scars from past storms that taught him caution, even when his soul yearns for closeness. His silence is not indifference. It is often a desperate attempt to protect a vulnerable core he fears exposing. He feels everything, perhaps more deeply than he knows how to express. Your light, your unwavering presence, stirs something profound within him, something he may not yet be ready to face. This is not your burden to carry, but a truth to understand. His journey is his own, yet your gentle understanding energy can create a safe harbor for his eventual return. Hold space for his process, knowing that his retreat is a testament to the strength of the connection, not its absence. There are moments in life when the universe seems to hold its breath, when progress slows, and the path ahead appears veiled. This is not stagnation, beloved soul, but a sacred pause. The angels assure you that divine timing is not about waiting idly, but about allowing the intricate gears of destiny to align perfectly. What appears as delay is often a necessary period of refinement, for you, for him, for the circumstances surrounding your connection. It is during these pauses that unseen work is being done, lessons are being integrated, and foundations are being strengthened. Do not rush the unfolding. Breathe into the stillness. Trust that every moment serves a higher purpose, guiding you both toward a more profound and sustainable union. The universe is conspiring in your favor, orchestrating events beyond your current sight. Surrender to the rhythm of this sacred pause, knowing that everything is unfolding precisely as it should, in perfect divine order. You may not realize the profound impact of your very presence on his soul. Your light, your authentic essence, is a healing force he may not consciously recognize, but feels deeply. The angels reveal that your presence has stirred ancient wounds within him, not to inflict pain, but to bring them to the surface for healing. You are not responsible for his journey, yet your unwavering compassion and understanding provide a safe space for his transformation. He may not articulate it, but your acceptance allows him to glimpse a future where he can be truly seen, truly loved, without the need for pretense. This is the unspoken gift you offer, the courage to face his own shadows, knowing that a pure light awaits him. Continue to shine your truth, for it is a beacon that guides him, even when he falters. Your love is a catalyst, a gentle rain that nourishes the parched earth of his spirit, preparing it for new growth. Even in the deepest silence, when answers seem elusive and the path uncertain, the angels are whispering. Their guidance is not always a booming voice, but a gentle nudge, a subtle knowing, a sudden clarity that settles upon your heart. Pay attention to the synchronicities, the recurring thoughts, the unexpected insights that feel as though they come from beyond. These are your celestial guides, communicating with you, affirming your path, and offering comfort. They remind you that you are never alone, that a vast network of divine support surrounds you, ready to assist when you open yourself to receive. Listen to the quiet wisdom within, the intuition that speaks when logic falters. This inner voice is often the purest channel for angelic messages, leading you towards choices that align with your highest good and the divine plan for your relationships. Trust the whispers. They are leading you home. There is a profound strength in vulnerability, a courage that transcends outward displays of power. To open your heart, to reveal your authentic self, with all its imperfections and tender hopes, is an act of immense spiritual bravery. The angels affirm that true connection blossoms not from guarded perfection, but from shared humanity, from the willingness to be seen, truly seen. When you embrace your own vulnerability, you create a sacred space for another to do the same, inviting a depth of intimacy that is both rare and profoundly healing. It is in these moments of raw honesty that souls truly merge, shedding the protective layers that hinder genuine love. Do not fear the tender places within you. They are the gateways to the most profound bonds. They are the places where divine love can enter and reside. But he said to me, "My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. Therefore I will boast all the more gladly about my weaknesses, so that Christ's power may rest on me." 2 Corinthians 12 verse 9. Look back at your journey, beloved soul, and you will see the undeniable hand of destiny, the subtle yet powerful interventions of heaven. There were moments that seemed like coincidences, chance encounters, or unexpected turns that ultimately guided you to where you are now. These were not random occurrences. They were divine orchestrations, moments when the universe actively intervened to place you on your highest path. The angels are constantly working behind the scenes, aligning circumstances, opening doors, and gently redirecting your steps. Trust that this guidance continues, especially in matters of the heart. When you feel a strong pull, a clear sign, or an undeniable knowing, it is often heaven confirming your direction. Your path is not walked alone. It is a collaborative journey with the divine, leading you towards the love and fulfillment that is your birthright. The Lord will guide you always. He will satisfy your needs in a sun-scorched land and will strengthen your frame. You will be like a well-watered garden, like a spring whose waters never fail. Isaiah 58 verse 11. Before any external love can truly flourish, the deepest love must reside within you. Embracing your inherent worth and recognizing the divine spark that makes you uniquely magnificent is not an act of ego but an essential spiritual practice. The angels remind you that you are worthy of profound, unconditional love, not because of what you do, but because of who you are. When you truly embody this understanding, you set a powerful energetic vibration that attracts relationships reflecting this truth. You teach others how to love you by how you love yourself. Do not settle for anything less than the expansive, respectful, and joyful connection that your soul craves. Your worth is non-negotiable, nor is it dependent on another's validation. It is a divine truth. Stand in your power, radiate your light, and watch as the universe aligns to bring you the love that honors your sacred essence. The journey of the heart is one of constant unfolding, a dance between surrender and empowered action. As you stand at this turning point, ready to embrace the next chapter, place upon your head the crown of acceptance. Accept the lessons learned, the growth achieved, and the divine timing that has orchestrated every step. Your destiny is not a fixed point, but a living, breathing tapestry woven with threads of choice, grace, and unwavering love. The angels celebrate your resilience, your capacity for deep feeling, and your courage to seek a love that transcends the ordinary. You are stepping into a new era of profound connection, guided by wisdom and illuminated by divine light. Trust the path ahead, knowing that every experience has prepared you for the authentic, soul-aligned love that awaits. Your heart's deepest desires are not mere wishes. They are echoes of a divine promise, now ready to manifest. And the God of all grace, who called you to his eternal glory in Christ, after you have suffered a little while, will himself restore you and make you strong, firm, and steadfast. 1 Peter 5 verse 10.